Hello and welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. If you're looking to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, you're in the right place. You know, freelancers need to have a really strong portfolio to show clients the type of work that they can do for them. I taught a masterclass about how to leverage a strong portfolio to win more clients. Get ready, it's coming up. Your portfolio. How many of you struggle with your portfolio? How many of you is this a sticking point where you're like, ugh, I can get a great profile, but my portfolio, I just feel like it's not there. I hear you. I remember I think it was my second job, my second gig. I was waiting for their website to go live like every day. I was like, refresh, because I needed it for my one profile. And then I got another one. I was like, whoa. And then I had a little profile or portfolio package, I was like, I get it. It's kind of like your kids waiting for them to get out of diapers, waiting for them to click their own seatbelt, like all the things. I hear you. It will come if you're patient and if you're focused on it. Okay, so here's the power of a strong portfolio. It really does need to be eye-catching. Even if you just write emails, even if you're a bookkeeper, even if you're a virtual assistant, guys, I understand that you don't have a creative thing to show, but that's not the point. You can pick the client that you work with that you do accounting for and take a screenshot of their homepage to show this is the company I work for. I'm just telling you, it needs to be eye-catching. Okay? Don't put Google Docs on there because that's your email. Write the email, put it in MailChimp, take a screenshot of it in MailChimp. If you do social media posts, go take a shot of a social media post with a great caption and 150 likes and go, okay, that's my picture. Make it up in terms of what it should look like if all you're writing is just the copy, okay? Fill it with details. I'm going to show you my portfolio in a second of where I put all the details. That is a tip and trick that many of you don't do when you're on Upwork. Be specific in what you do. Keep it updated. I'm in the process now. We've got 22 new websites to add to Upwork. Oh my God. You can add projects outside of Upwork. Do you hear me? This is important. No more excuses. If you have projects that you didn't get on Upwork, you can add them to your Upwork profile. Yes. Same with testimonials. They are now allowing you to add testimonials outside the platform. All you need to do is send an email to that person, say, hey, I would love your testimonial for my Upwork profile. They write it and hit submit, and then Upwork puts it up for you. You can't copy it over. They have to do it. Right? And there's a really neat trick about adding a portfolio piece in your feed. Again, this is going to go super geeky, only for you that are on Upwork. And as I already told you, use homepage screenshots. So this was an old one. We're updating it now. I'll go live and show you that. But can you see that I'm using homepages? It just happens to be that we write website copy. So it is easy, but I don't want that to be an excuse for you. If you're a blog writer, if you're a ghostwriter, if you, like I said, social media manager, I want to take you to my portfolio. We're adding some really good ones here. Let me take you to one that I think will be a good example. Here's Alyssa Yoga. If you click on her, it's going to show that we did a website copy, Squarespace site, all the stages that we took her through, and her testimonial, and the link to her page. So there's a lot of information in there. Guys, this is another piece of real estate to sell yourself. Did you hear me? Too many of you just either put up a picture and you're done, and you don't use this. Clients stalk me. They go through, I've seen all of your websites. I've read through all of your things. This just gives them further proof that you have a process, that you're detail oriented, that you're professional. So use the space that Upwork gives you on your portfolio. Now you're asking, but I don't have a portfolio. What you need to do is to start doing things for yourself and for free. If you're a website copywriter, build your own website and put it up as a portfolio piece. If you're a blog writer, write your own blog and put it up as a portfolio piece. It is okay. Put your name next to it, and then ask your mother, brother, sister if you can write something for them, do their books, become a virtual assistant, do a project for them, whatever you need to do, knowing that you're going to use it as an example for your portfolio. Hey guys, I hope you found that valuable. Are you looking for more information about freelancing? How to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule? We've got a ton of videos, and if you subscribe, you will always know when the next video drops. We also have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers. We have great discussions over there, Q&A, and masterclasses that you don't want to miss. So if you want to get into a community, check us out there.